Good morning, everybody. This is All John McGarrett. It's my YouTube tips channel. And in today's video, I just want to chat a little bit about pushing yourself to your limit. Um, so the main thing is I want to just like say to push yourself to your limits and really enjoy that pain. It may, if you listen to motivational speakers or anything like that, I would recommend you go watch David Goggins because he inspired me like no one else has inspired me except for Jesus Christ. Um, because he talks about the pain and where that puts you, and then like when you push past your pain and still keep going, what type of high that creates. I don't know. It creates like a new addicting feeling where you need to progress, you need to do more of it. Like being in a intense, painful state um, motivates you to create more, to struggle more, because it puts you like being in a stressful environment, being in a painful environment, and just learning to tolerate it. You're going to like, sure, maybe burn out, but burnout is temporary. All of that shit's temporary. Eventually, you bounce back, you rest through it, and you can. And then I don't know. For me, I've had so many overly stressful situations in my life, and then when I get a break from it and I recover, I just kind of I have an itch to go back right into it and just get stressed out and push myself to another limit, to another challenge, to I don't know. This sounds silly, but I don't know. This feels very important to talk about as well. Um, if you like, for me, if I like with content creation, I'm just pushing myself to my max every single day that I can, and then like I hit my limits all the time, and it's super uncomfortable and it makes me like depressed and it like depletes me. But then after I stop and reflect, um, journaling's good for that. I go, holy crap! Like yesterday, for instance, I made 33 videos. Yeah, they're shit. Who cares? But I still made 33 videos. It's more than I've ever done before, and I've never even thought about that because when I started making YouTube videos a year ago, I could barely make one. I could barely make one, and I was an anxious mess. Like I could not even. All 33 of those videos were 10 times better than that one video I made a year ago than my first video. 10 times, 100 times, easily in terms of value and quality and all that other stuff. It's just, and the main push for that has been like the main motivator, the main drive that's allowed me to do that is just really pushing myself and just suffering and fighting through the anxiety and just like being in those overly negative emotions, getting super angry, getting super frustrated, getting super anxious, getting super depressed, and just like surviving in that feeling and not giving up despite that feeling. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's important to do, especially because like as advice, like I feel from my perspective, because I'm not famous or anything like that, that through suffering through these early moments where I'm like staying up, laying up anxious in a cold sweat at night saying to myself, is any of this worth it? Because my aim is to get monetized to help bring more money in for my family. That's part of the mission. Um, is any of this worth it? I don't know. I feel like that like it'll give me a better chance to like not immediately succumb under the pressure if I do get any sort of fame or notoriety. So I mean, hopefully this reaches someone. My advice would be to just suffer, and like know that it's a part of the process, and then like to like really enjoy it. Um, enjoy your pain, enjoy the depression. As messed up as all that sounds, it's just like it makes you into something worth it. I don't know. Like it makes you into something that people look at you and go, "Wow, holy crap." And that's how I feel now, like a lot more so cuz like the more I take down my fears, take down my anxieties and stuff like that, um, I feel like I carry myself completely different, a lot more confident, a lot more self-worth. So, hopefully this helps somebody. Get after it. Hope you guys have a really good day. And if you want more tips, whatever, I'm going to try to put links in a Discord down below. I don't know how that's going to work with this Google verification right now, but I'm trying to like form communities where I'm going to specifically tailor to people and stuff like that. So have a nice day. Please subscribe.